The purpose of this video is to review the proper installation techniques with Bostik's pre-mixed urethane grouts that will help to prevent grout haze. These instructions apply to Bostik's True Color, Dimension, NeverSeal, and Quartz Lock 2 products. After viewing this instructional video, you will have the information necessary to make your next tile project easy and rewarding. Let's begin by grouting a section of tile we recently set. Before beginning any grouting project, you should always wet the tiles down with a nearly dry sponge. This will aid in removing any debris on the tile surface, reduce the absorption of the tile, and provide for a slightly slicker surface which will aid in spreading the grout. After you have pre-wet the tile surface, mix the product according to the instructions on the pail and scoop out enough product to spread a reachable area. Typically, no more than you can reach within an arm's length. Using a firm grout float, usually referred to as an epoxy float, spread the grout over the face of the tile. Work the grout back and forth at a 45-degree angle, making sure the joints are fully packed to ensure the structural integrity of the installation. Once you have spread the grout and ensured the joints are fully packed, remove any excess grout by holding the grout float at a 90-degree angle, working diagonally across the face of the tile. Pull the grout towards you. One of the keys to preventing grout haze is to clean up as you work, rather than waiting until you have grouted the entire installation. We call this the clean as you go method. Using a flat sponge, dip it in clean water and wring nearly dry. Urethane grout requires very little water to clean up, and using too much water may lead to curing issues. Using a circular motion, carefully clean the surface of the tile, making sure to remove all excess grout as well as dressing the joints. Using a clean sponge, wipe the tiles clean of any residue. Move the sponge diagonally across the tiles to prevent gouging or damaging the grout joint. If any water has spilled, be sure to clean it up immediately. Check your work as you clean and repair any low spots with additional grout. After you've cleaned the first section, repeat these steps until the entire installation is completely grouted. Remember to change your sponge and water frequently, typically about every 75 to 100 square feet. Using dirty, milky water will just reintroduce haze onto the tile surface. By following these simple grouting techniques, you can eliminate grout haze from the surface of your tile, leaving you with an amazing installation. For more tips on the use of this and other Bostik products, visit us at www.bostik-us.com.